Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, my name is Bella. I started recording this video like on the camera, but then I forgot about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just record on my phone for now. All right, so little update about me and what's been going on. So why does this eye look so lazy, dude? It's probably like the way my lash is like fixed. Okay, but anyways, so I have been creating so much content as far as like social media, specifically TikTok. I recently started getting more into it because Instagram for me has just been kind of slow, and I guess I was getting kind of tired of always posting on Instagram. And don't get me wrong, like I love it. So I started getting on TikTok, and at first I started doing it just because, you know, it's kind of a joke, and I started growing slowly, and then one of my videos went viral. If I took the app a little bit more serious, I wonder how far I could get. So that's exactly what I started doing. I started looking at my analytics and just like trying to figure out what times are best to post on TikTok. And once I kind of figured out like the algorithm, I started seeing a huge difference. I think I went from like 2,000 something to now 8,000 something, almost reaching 10K, and that is like my end of the year goal for TikTok. And it's crazy because I think I started TikTok like around like August, and not even 3 months later, like we've grown tremendously. Now, as far as the G goes, so I haven't done anything else to the G just because I've been trying to fix the whole alignment issue with my car, just because I originally went to this shop, paid $100 for it, and I ended up going back like 4 times just because, one, before I even got the alignment done, it was just an issue just for me to even get in and to get scheduled. We were trying to fix mostly the back because it was just so, like, it was towed out a lot, and it was making the car feel very boaty. But then I also feel like because I have to change one of the camber arms, I'm not really sure if it's the front or lower, maybe both. They were supposed to try to get as close as they can to 0, but instead they were going the complete opposite direction. And now, like, the right side of the rear is like maxed out. Because I have like a couple mods on the car already, I want to say at least 5 or minimum 5 I do have on here. So you know what, why not just help some of you guys who are looking to buy a G or have a G and are just curious as to what affordable mods that you can get for the car. Why are you meowing? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and get to the actual part of this video. It's a bit chilly. Leaves are hella crunchy. Alright, so little warning, my car is dirty, but in this lighting it doesn't look as dusty, but she's a bit dirty. So all of the mods that I have on the outside are probably the most ones that I've done to the car, like the most obvious, like the headlights, which we'll probably get to first. Alright, so starting with the headlights, so I got these off of Redline 360 for I think $420 if I'm not mistaken, and it took me about like 2 weeks to get here. These are the clear style with the chrome housing, and they are sequential. So let's see, when you like lock it or unlock it. Yeah, I was having a lot of condensation issues, but then I just had to reseal them, and they're very easy to install. I do have a video you guys can go check out. I will put the link to that in the description box. I think these headlights, out of the ones that I've seen for the G35, these are probably my favorite. I was gonna go with like the smoked chrome. I believe it would have been like an ombre of like black to like chrome on the inside, but however, that wasn't the case because the actual lens would have been smoked, and I just did not like that. And then I also seen like the black housing, and I don't know, I just wanted to be different, and I don't really see like the clear on the G's, so that's what I went with. Next mod is the side markers, the clear side markers. The lighting that I have, they aren't like the white light. I want to change that, but I'm not sure if you can. I have to double check. But again, easy to install. These are from Z1 Motorsports. My boyfriend actually got these for me. Thank you. And then I don't remember how much they were, but like I said, I will put the price on the screen and then just have the link in the description to these side markers. And then my next one, I'm gonna have to get all in my nasty freaking tires, but let me see if I can get a better view from the other end. Maybe a little bit. Okay, so my next mod is the 30mm spacers from Z1 Motorsports. Definitely changes the fitment of the car, because before, I think I do have a video, but before it was pushed in all the way in and it just did not look good. But this is definitely, I would recommend it if you plan on staying on your stock wheels for a good minute and just trying to make the car look better. The ones in the front are 25, I believe, and then the ones in the front are 30. I don't remember, god dang, I can't remember the ones in the front, but for sure the ones in the back are 30. And then yeah, you can really tell the difference in the front for sure. All right, fourth mod is the Z1 carbon fiber intake. For like the silicone hose, you do get the option to choose between black, blue, or red. I got the black just because it just looks, I feel like it matches everything. And this was $250 or $248 to be exact, plus tax. Oh my god. Oh my god, Jesus. So it comes with the filter, obviously, the Z1 silicone hoses, the beautiful carbon fiber. Wow, shit, okay, that is so dirty. That comes with your silicone couplers and then your clamps. And yeah, plus like it just looks so clean. It definitely gives you more space here in the engine bay, because before, Jesus, it was like all crowded. It gives you more room to do whatever you need to do just in case. I do know that if you do, like, you are able to order it, but I think they won't be shipped out till 2022 if I'm not mistaken. Plus, like, not to mention, you just get to upgrade your intake to like just a higher flow filter. It's just great for the car overall. Oh, what the heck, I forgot I have this. That's a pretty funny story. This actually got stuck in the engine. Not my fault. For some, I don't know how, but let's just say it got stuck, but we got it out, thank god. All right, so for my last fifth mod of the G35, I'm not really sure if I would say this is a mod, because I still have my stock exhaust on. I pretty much did a muffler delete to my car. Yeah, I guess that would be my fifth or whatever. I haven't done anything else to the car. Oh crap, I forgot. Well, I do have on new rotors. Well, I think I did it in the front. Yeah, these are the slotted ones, but not the drilled. These are from Z1. It looks a lot better than the ones compared to the back. But these are slotted and drilled. It's like a little, like a cube of cheese. I do have like the rear ones in the back that I still haven't done. Let's open this up. Yeah, I still have my rears in there, but oops. I still do get people saying, oh, your car's stock. Like, for the most part, I would say, yeah, it does look stock. I was like, but it's not completely stock though. But my next thing obviously is we're gonna lower her, because I feel like after you do lower her, I think I would just like leave the car as it is and just leave it be. And then yeah, dang, I forgot that I also tinted my car too. Like, it's so dark, but you can still see, you know, a little bit, but she's dark. I did get 20 all around, and then I think I want to say like 50 in the front, I think, because on gloomy days you can't see nothing. See, like even now it's just a reflection. But yeah, oh, I also do plan on blacking out the grill. I think I've probably said that in almost every video, I think, whenever I'm showing the car. And then again, with these calipers, dude, like instead of having like this chorro doo-doo brown, I kind of want to do like that baby pink or that baby purple, but with the Brembos I'm just kind of like the logo. Wait, is that fading? Shit. Oh wait, it is fading. See, it's just more of a reason just to get it done. Let's lock her up. What? There we go. That's probably like my favorite thing about the car right now. It's just the headlights. Hi, mama's babies. They're just straight chilling. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions regarding any of the information that I had taught to you guys about today, let me know in the comments, or feel free just to get directly to me on social media at vq.bella on Instagram or TikTok. I'm out of breath, oh my god. And I will gladly answer any of the questions that you guys have. Also, again, thank you guys so much for supporting me since like day one, since I joined the community. It's been a blessing, and it still is. I had talked about this when I first attempted to record this video, but long story short, a little advice to the ones who are trying to get into the community: don't let the negativity bring you down, because everyone's always going to talk about you, whether it's good or bad. Yeah, you just kind of have to look past it and just move forward, because at the end of the day, like, it's literally just you, your car, your build. People who try to put you down because they see your success, they're just having problems, I feel like, with themselves. To my women in the car community, just want to say I love you guys so much, because there was one TikTok that I posted and I saw so many of you guys just being so supportive, and that means so much, because one of my goals in the car community is just to increase the percentage of us women in the car community, just because there isn't that many of us. But to the ones who are, you guys are doing awesome. Even to the car guys, we are all great. We're one big family, and yeah, I love each and every one of you. So that is very corny, but yeah, just want to say thank you to all of you. You guys are awesome. Spark. Oh, he's like a ferret. Okay. All right, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yep, we will see you in the next one.